In this video, we are going to show you how to create a simple note in Poppy AI. Now, for example, you are in a board and you're creating something and you want to, for example, take a break and you don't want to forget something. You want to create a simple note so that you can type it there. All you need to do is press T anywhere. There you go. So it's going to be opening a new text box and you can just type whatever thought you have in this text box as a simple note, right? And just put it on the side. It's not really related to your project whatsoever. It's not connected to this directly, right? So there we go. For example, this is what you're working with. And again, you want to maybe call it in for the day, or maybe you want to take a break and then, oh yeah, I have something, I don't want to forget this. Just press T and then type whatever you want and you'll be good to go. And if you're interested in trying out Poppy AI, you can get a $25 off when you click on the link in the description below. Pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.